Switch off when you want no more. Happiness is an app which needs to be updated every hour. And never forget, memories live longer in your heart than in your hard drive. There's only one life, one world.
And you can make it better with the choices you make. A better life, a better world.
Panasonic.
गाड़ी स्पेशियस है, फ्लेक्सिबल भी है, पावर है, संस्कार है और साथ में माइलेज भी है। तो भला ऐसी गाड़ी को हम क्या बुलाएंगे?
India's first compact family wagon. यही है नई परंपरा, है ना?
The new Datsun Go Plus, India's first compact family wagon.
कुछ नया सोचे?
फिर से गलत पासवर्ड। ये लास्ट चांस है पापा।
याद आ गया, तुम्हारी माँ की बर्थ डेट 12 फरवरी 1961।
जनवरी
1963।
यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया लाए हैं सेल्फ पासवर्ड और पिन जनरेशन की सुविधा।
हाँ, नया पासवर्ड रख लेते हैं। वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी 3 मार्च 1983, है ना? नहीं, 82।
क्योंकि आपके सपने सिर्फ आपके नहीं।
आपकी समझदारी कहाँ चली जाती है जब आप चमकती पॉलिश दाल सिर्फ उसकी चमक देखकर खरीद लेते हैं। पर पॉलिश दाल को ये चमक पाने के लिए पानी, तेल और लेदर की मार से गुजरना पड़ता है, जिससे उसकी सेहत की परत निकल जाती है। टाटा आई शक्ति अनपॉलिश दाल चमकती नहीं है, लेकिन इसके प्रोटीन्स आपकी सेहत को चमका देंगे। टाटा आई शक्ति अनपॉलिश दाल।
On Tuesday, Satish Upadhyay's supporters ganged up at the Delhi BJP headquarters protesting Bedi's induction. A show of strength for the BJP Delhi unit chief.
Well, these are the scenes inside the BJP Delhi President Satish Upadhyay's office. You could see Satish Upadhyay there, and on your right, CP Sinha trying to show you. This is a protest which is taking place in favor of Satish Upadhyay. Has not been given a ticket, and then also Shikha Rai, who is the senior Delhi BJP leader, but has not been given a ticket. Satish ji, we can see you trying to pacify these people, these kind of protests. How are you going to handle these kind of protests? So how are you going to handle? Sir, you are saying, how are you going to...
This is just, it's a momentary thing. I have decided I am fighting on 70 seats. This is just a momentary thing.
Sir, but this is inside your chambers. Sir, but this is inside your chamber. This is your seat. They are protesting right inside your office.
चलिए सब लोग चलिए.
You could see he's trying to pacify all of these people who are demanding a ticket for Satish Upadhyay, a ticket for Shikha Rai. Sir, how will you handle all of them? Mr. Upadhyay, how will you handle all of them, sir?
Day before yesterday, I had a long chat with the top BJP leadership in Delhi, and he clearly says that the Kiran Bedi will bring chaos and the crisis in the party.
Who told you that?
I don't want to. I don't want to get into that because reporters don't share their sources. He said exactly what the words: Kiran Bedi will bring chaos and the crisis in the party. And for the last 2 days, if we see, there is a serious crisis in the party, and the people are not accepting her.
See what is happening on the road. See the response and the simultaneous tremendous response of the people and the workers here. And I think these people have loved me, adored me like anything for last 20 years or so. They helped me, blessed me in 5 elections consecutively. Last time they blessed me with a victory of over 45,000 votes. So I think I'm so happy that they are giving the same amount of affection and love and blessings to her also. And they were deprived of a chief minister last time, but this time now I'm sure that they will have that fortune go their way, and they will have a chief minister in Delhi who is from their own constituency.
Once close associates, today the main contenders of Delhi elections. Arvind Kejriwal and Kiran Bedi face off in 2015. Taking off the roadshow from Valmiki Sadan, Arvind Kejriwal visiting and meeting, facing these supporters, thousands in number, who've decided to converge here on Valmiki Sadan, heading towards Jantar Mantar with these placards and slogans of these supporters. Public certainly intrigued, but the question is, Will these turn into votes or not remains to be seen. But this roadshow on the day of the nomination certainly very crucial for Kejriwal. He is in fact from Valmiki Sadan to Jantar Mandir and then Jamnagar. Nomination will be filed. A crucial day followed by rally in Krishna Nagar, the same constituency of Kiran Bedi. What really will happen will be decided on 7th February.
Kiran Bedi is a new face in the BJP. What's your problem with her?
No problem. I have no problem with Kiran Bedi ji. I am happy she is in भारतीय जनता पार्टी.
खुश हैं कि उन्होंने ज्वाइन किया है, लेकिन इससे खुश नहीं है कि वो मुख्यमंत्री बनाया जाए या फिर भाजपा मुख्यमंत्री अनाउंस करके इलेक्शन में जाए.
नहीं, वो अगर उनको या किसी को भी हमारी पार्टी सीएम घोषित करती है तो मैं बहुत खुशी से उनको इनवाइट करूंगा. बट बिहेवियर ऐसा शो करना कि हम बस सीएम हैं और हम सबको डिक्टेट करेंगे, तो विदाउट परमिटिंग में पार्टी आई कांट फॉलो.
मैं आपसे एक ही सीधा सवाल पूछता हूं सर. आपने अभी ये कहा कि आपके हिसाब से अगर भाजपा सिर्फ उसी नारे के साथ जाए कि मतलब मोदी जी के साथ, तो अच्छा रहेगा, किसी और फेस के साथ ना जाए, ये आप कह रहे हैं, राइट?
हम ये नहीं करेंगे उसी के साथ जाए. पार्टी बताए कि वो कैसे जाना चाहती है. हमारा अभी तक का नारा है चलो चले मोदी के साथ, उसी के साथ हमने पिछले 3 चुनाव जीते हैं. तो आगे हमारा नारा क्या ये पार्टी बताए.
अभी 5 मिनट पहले भी आपने ये कहा कि आपको ये लगता है कि वो बेहतर होगा बीजेपी के लिए दिल्ली में.
ये तो मैं अभी भी कह रहा हूँ कि हमें चलो चले मोदी के साथ ही जाना चाहिए और उसमें मैं उसको फॉलो करना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि वो नुस्खा हमारे लिए ठीक है. क्योंकि कई बातें होती हैं, हम व्यवहार की और किरण बेदी जी के किसी ऐसे व्यवहार का विरोध नहीं करता हूं, लेकिन जो हमारा सफल नुस्खा है उसको फॉलो करना चाहिए. भारतीय जनता पार्टी में बहुत ताकत है, दिल्ली में सरकार बनाएगी.
But right after that, a strong reprimand coming from the BJP central leadership led to a quiet acceptance of Kiran Bedi. And after that, the official announcement being done by none other but the BJP National President Amit Shah himself in presence of the Finance Minister Arun Jaitley. It was for sure that there is not going to be any open resentment. But yet, the simmering continued.
So the kind of protest which reached to your desk today, sir?
There is no protest at all. कार्यकर्ताओं की फीलिंग होती है, वो लोग आते हैं, and I have decided not to contest election. मुझे नहीं लड़ना है, मुझे 70 सीटों पर चुनाव लड़ना है. पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट हूँ और पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट होने की वजह से मुझे सब जगह जाकर के चुनाव सबको लड़ाना है. दिल्ली में जिस तरह का अराजकता का माहौल है, देयर इज अनसर्टेनिटी, उस सबको ठीक करने के लिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी को सबको लड़ाना है. लोगों की कार्यकर्ताओं की भावनाएं हैं, लोग आते हैं चले जाते हैं, चलता रहता है. ये तो दिस इज इलेक्शन.
But you feel that after Kiran Bedi being the chief ministerial candidate officially being announced, you will be able to take care of the Delhi unit?
100%.
The CADA responsibility is still on you.
100%.
You are still the state Delhi president.
I am 100% confident.
Confident that you will be able to control this.
Yeah, 100%. These are minor things which happens in every election.
So the situation got tense when it reached your table.
No, not tables. It was my room.
Yeah.
Everybody is coming. Everybody is coming to meet me. Come to meet me.
Right.
Then they have a right to meet me. So we cannot read too much in between the lines. लोगों को आना होता है, मिलते हैं लोग, और इसमें कुछ ऐसा नहीं है. There is nothing adverse about this. लोगों की फीलिंग होती है, it's a momentary thing. लोगों को लगता है काफी लोग आएंगे जिनको टिकट नहीं मिली है, and this is in every election. This is not new, particularly this time. There's nothing.
She has been in the party for 4 days and is tipped to be the chief minister if numbers allow. How Bedi tackles the party simmering against her projection may turn out to be key to the BJP's chances in the capital.
Do you connect with Kiran Bedi as a chief minister, as a Delhi voter? Do you see Kiran Bedi as a chief minister?
Obviously, because till now whatever she has spoken and the things, the promise she did is okay, and whenever she has said something, she did it. So I am agree, and she can be the upcoming chief minister. Obviously, I do agree. Yeah.
But having said that, as far as Kejriwal is concerned, do you think the Delhi voter is disenchanted with Kejriwal after his last time stint as the chief minister?
I think I definitely have been disenchanted by him. In fact, I think he took a stand, and I think he made a point, even though he resigned. So I'm with him. I'm going to vote for him.
Having said that, do you think ever since Kiran Bedi has been appointed as the CM face of BJP, there is some sense of arrogance in her, the way she has been behaving lately and the way she's talking? Do you think there is some sense of arrogance in her?
No, I don't think so. There is some kind of arrogance, but I think if Kiran Bedi would come, it would be much better for girls, as she's very much in self-protesting and everything. So I think I'll go for Kiran Bedi.
Do you think it would have been better for BJP had they projected Kiran Bedi as the CM face earlier? Had Kiran Bedi joined BJP earlier, do you think it would have been better for the image of BJP?
Definitely, it would have been better because Kiran Bedi in herself, she is a figure and she will work for women empowerment. So if she stands this time also and if she fights, then the support of the woman would go for her. So I think she is one who can make the changes.
Do you think this election of Delhi will be between two personalities, Kejriwal and Kiran Bedi? It's a clash of personalities.
Yeah, definitely. There's a clash of personalities between Kejriwal and Kiran Bedi because there is no other choice of any other parties to in between. Because the name suggests Kiran Bedi, Kejriwal, the two names itself. So Kiran Bedi, the better like beyond it's going BJP. So it's best that Kejriwal and Kiran Bedi are fighting to each other.
Do you think there's any chances of Congress in this upcoming election? Do you think Congress will be able to better their tally from last time around?
No, I believe that their performance this time will be very much of an upset for them since they have launched their candidates list earlier because they already had thought that yes, this is the time that this will be all clear for them in Delhi. Because now launching the name of Kiran Bedi as the CM of Delhi, it's a safe plot for BJP and they have hit a home run definitely because she has got experience of 40 years of Indian administration and I believe...
But Congress does not really stand a chance,
No, not at all.
Whether the opinion on the street remain divided, but one thing is certain, that it's going to be a battle between Kejriwal versus Kiran Bedi. It is the clash of personalities and it is this very clash that makes the Delhi poll very exciting in recent times. It's one of the most exciting electoral battles of recent times.